Looking for a new summer style at an affordable price? Well, let's have a look at this one. I can't wait to talk about this fun little summer style. Now, this wig was provided to me by Main Attraction, so thank you so much. And it is available at Wig Studio One. I'm going to put a link in the drop-down box to this wig over at Wig Studio One. And y'all don't forget, use my code Crazy30 over there to save yourself some money on your favorite wigs and toppers. Now, look at this style sequel. I want you to look at it all the way around. Now this has got a nice nape on it. Also has a little wave here, which I think is so adorable. Fun, short, throw it on and get out of the door. Now this is a basic cap. No frills here, no mono features, anything like that. And it has a ton of permatease. Now, if you are not a fan of permatease, this is not your wig. However, I would encourage you, if you are open to permatease wigs, don't overlook these types of wigs. This is a well-made wig. This wig, to me, and wigs like this can be the workhorses of your wig wardrobe. Meaning, these are the types of wigs I like to absolutely throw on. I'm running errands, I've got to go here, I got to go there. I can throw this little wig on, spike it up with some water or some styling product, and get out the door, and it looks adorable. Again, let me just give you another look at it. I like this little wave on this. I think it's really cute. You can wear this behind your ears. I love the layering. It has a little bit of a bang, which I think is really nice. It is very well done. Now let me drop in some video of the inside of the cap. Like I said, this is just as basic as it comes, which also, keep in mind, will make this a little more budget friendly because you're not paying for mono features and all that. So that is a plus for me on these types of wigs. So no lace front, it's open wefted. It has open ear tabs. It also has an open extended nape with Velcro adjusters. There is a lot of stretch in this wig, and let's talk about that. This fit me a tad large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I felt like this fit me a little large. And like you saw, there is a ton of stretch here. So I believe this will stretch up to larger circumference. Now the specs of sequel. The nape on this one is that 1.75 inch nape, so it's a little bit longer on the nape. If that's something you enjoy, you have a little bit longer nape. The top of this is 3 to 4.5, so it's very layered all over. The sides are 3 to 3.25. The back is 1.75 to 3.25, and it weighs 2.6 ounces. Y'all, this is so cute. I really like this color. I'm not sure I've reviewed this shade before. If I have, it's been a long time ago. So I was excited to get this one. Sunflower is what it's called. So it's a light ash blonde. I'm also going to drop in some video here for you to see it. A light ash blonde with platinum blonde. There's definitely platinum running through here, y'all. And it has this medium brown root. Now I know not all of you are fans of rooted wigs. I totally understand that. And I personally wish more styles offered non-rooted wigs, but this one does have a medium brown root, and I think it's blended beautifully. Look how pretty this root blends, and with that light ash coming into the rooting, it is really pretty. Again, I would just encourage you, don't pass up on these types of wigs if you are open to permatease at all. I love this. Is 90% of the time, if I want to change it up a little, I will grab one of these little tiny clips. I keep them everywhere, and I will just add that many times to the front and just take it off my face a little bit. Like I said, there's no lace front here, so you're not going to really be able to wear this off your face, but it has this bang that you can pull down over it. Y'all, this is cute. It really is. I hope you will consider it. It's at a really nice price point, and definitely one you want to put on your list. I will drop all the information again in the drop down box below. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.